Hey, welcome to a beautiful, crispy October morning. So we're gonna get working on the shop in the pole barn here today. You can see sun's just getting up here. Chickens are all out, having some scratch. Hey, Roscoe. So I picked up some material for the beam. Everything's all cleared out here to start on the walls. Then we're gonna have another wall coming across here. So I figured it out to be about 16 wide and I think 23 long. So got to clear a bunch of stuff there, but and then it's gonna be 7.5 feet. It's gonna be the interior, and then it's gonna have 5 feet above it. So there should be lots of room for putting sleds up there and some other stuff. So yeah, so we're gonna get started on that today, and next time you see it, it's gonna look a little different. Okay, so we got the first section all built. So it comes out 8 feet and 16 feet across. So it's gonna be loft above there. Gonna be putting a window in here down the road. Then I should be able to get an air conditioner in there for the summertime if I need. But yeah, so that's kind of the progress as of right now. So then I get a bunch of 16-foot material. So we're gonna come out from here, another 16 feet across. Then come almost to that right there, making this little shop about 16 wide by 23 deep, I believe. So that's all for now. All right, so as you can see, we just got back from the lumber yard. Got another load here. This big 16-footers hanging out the back. So we're going to get to extending the next section. We've got 2 more sections, basically 2 8-footers. So gonna get to that right. All right, as you can see, section number 2. So we're out just over 16 feet now, just because of the thickness of the headers. But we got one more section. It's not gonna quite be 8 feet, just because then we're gonna be sticking into this sliding door by almost 1.5 feet. So not gonna be quite that, but here we go, one more time. And there we go, she's all framed up. So we can start to finally clean up the pole barn here and get things a little bit more organized. So this is a 7-foot tall by 9-foot wide door, so be able to get pretty much anything in here I need. Even my truck should fit in here if I want. I got a little man door there. 2 sleds in there, so that's about how they're gonna be when we're working on them. And that's about probably halfway into the shop, so we still have lots of room back here for other stuff. So, but yeah, that's where we're at right now. So it's 16 wide by 23.5 deep. So, but yeah, so I'm gonna get the electrical done next, and I guess we'll start insulating it. Okay, so a quick update on the shop here. Haven't had a lot of time to get anything done really. Been doing a bit of electrical, so got some pot lights wired in here. Still need to do one more row in that section. I've run a lot of the electrical for all my switches and my plugs. So I still need to run one in here. I'm gonna run it up and through and tie it into a few plugs I'm gonna put in this wall once I have that framed. And then I have over here done as well. So been pretty busy right now. So I haven't had a lot of time to be out here working on the shop. I have probably enough tin to do the ceiling in here, and then probably an accent coming up the wall there all the way around. So it's in the barn there. I'm gonna go take a look at that, see kind of how much we have. Got a bunch of steel that I'm going to use in the shop build here, so in the barn. Oh, this stupid vine's everywhere. But yeah, there's a whole stack of steel roofing there, so I'm going to be putting that to use in the shop build there. So see, we got a plane back in there, fuselage. But yeah, some other supplies, building stuff. So I'm gonna go through all this and see what we have. But I think there's close to 20 sheets in there, so that'll do us nicely for what we're working on.